in this video we are going to start a new chapter, that is synthesis of sentences. As it is mentioned at the beginning, read the pairs of sentences, combine them in at least two different ways. So two ways you have to join this pair of sentences. You can see this is the first one, this is the second one. So here comes the pair. Now what you will have in class 9 and 10 according to ICC module, what you are going to have, that you will not be allowed, that time you will not be allowed to use and, but, so. And, but, so. These three things you will not be allowed during the classes of 9 and 10. So you should have one concept regarding this upcoming situation, so that there should not be any problem. I received no answer. I knocked a second time. So what you have to do, you have to join these sentences but two different ways. So here I am writing A and here I am writing B. So how can I write the first one? I received no answer. Shall I start like this? Receiving no answer, comma, I knocked a second time. This is the first one. Same way I can write that one. The format should be different, but the meaning should remain the same. Keep it in mind, you have to change the format, not the meaning. So I am writing here, since I received no answer, comma, I knocked a second time. Now what are the other things you can use here? You can use as, because, therefore, as, because and therefore. You can use further here. Next one. He stood on tiptoe. He reached for the bunch of grapes. He stood on tiptoe. He reached for the bunch of grapes. So I can make it simple by keeping like that. Standing on tiptoe, he reached for the bunch of grapes. Standing on tiptoe, he reached for the bunch of grapes. Another way also I can write this one. So here also you can use since. So what it should be? I am not writing the full one. You can easily understand what it should be. Listen to my voice clearly. Since he stood on tiptoe. Since he stood on tiptoe, comma, he reached for the bunch of grapes. Next, Mr. Sharma was elected the president. He is well-known Sanskrit scholar. Mr. Sharma who was elected the president is a well-known Sanskrit scholar. So this is the one way I can join these two parts. Second part, it is given Mr. Sharma was elected the president. He is a well-known Sanskrit scholar. So first one I have made, what I have done, I have used the subordinating conjunction who, so I have made it complex. Another way I can write all. I can use and here. So just listen to that one. If I use and here, then how will it look? Mr. Sharma was elected the president and he is a well-known Sanskrit scholar. So in that case I am making the sentence compound. And I can use comma also. By using comma also we sometimes join, but that is least preferable. So this one is better. The soldier faced the enemy, they were very brave. The soldier faced the enemy. They were very brave. So I can write A. The soldiers who were very brave faced the enemy. That one I can use here. Another way also I can write that one. The brave soldiers faced the enemy. So in this two way I can join these sentences. Now here, one thing we have to be careful with, we have to check every time whether I am converting or joining these sentences and making it simple, complex or compound. Here as you can see we have made it simple sentences, second one, and first one is complex. Now this one I am keeping from you, 5 is for you as well as 6. So hopefully you can do this too very easily. Now what is written here, synthesis of sentence refer to the ways we can combine sentences. There are ways in which you can combine two or more simple sentences into one simple sentences. Look at these sentences. I finished my work, I went out to play. Having finished my work, I went out to play. This is a simple sentence. Rahul read the book, he returned it to me. Having read the book, Rahul returned it to me. This is also simple. The second sentence in each set combined the first pair of sentences using the participle having. Remember that such a synthesis is possible if the individual sentences have the same subject. Note I is the common subject in the first pair of sentence. Rahul is the common subject in the second pair of sentences. First one you can see, both the cases it is I, so I can use such type of thing. Second one you can see Rahul and it is he. So both the cases we have Rahul. So same thing is given here, combine each pair of sentences to make one simple sentence using a participle, making other changes as required. What is provided? I completed my homework, I went to my friend's house. So how to write? Just look at the previous one, just we talk. Just look, having finished my work, I went to play. So it should be what? Having completed my homework, comma, I went to my friend's house. Now this one you can write in another way also. You can write completing my homework. That is also an example of participle. So that also can be used. There is no problem if you write like that. Dad made the food. He went to his room to rest. So dad and he both are the same person. So here also you can use having. Having made the food, dad went to his room to rest. Having made the food, comma, dad went to his room to rest. So here you can have same thing, you can write like this, making the food. That also you can use. There is no problem if you write like that. So both the formats can easily be used. Now, since we have seen this, so 3, 4, 5, I want you to write. If you have problem, I am there to help you.